How to turn on or turn off lock phone after unpinning on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then in here, scroll down and tap on more security settings. Then scroll down again. And here, tap on allow apps to be pinned. Tap on the left hand side panel. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on lock phone after unpinning. Tap on the toggle button to turn on lock phone after unpinning or switch it off. When we switch it off, we need to enter the lock screen pin to unlock it. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.